this is lesson 15, and we're going to use the same concepts we've been using, but we're going to make them look a little bit different. So here is our star, and we've been working with our star for a while. We know that a star, a white pawn, is the opposite value of a blue pawn. So a star and a pawn are opposite values. So what we're going to do is think about what the difference is between this and this. So if you look, the star has the line straight through it, whereas the pawn does not. Well, we could take this line and slowly pull it out until it goes in front of the X. So this sign is the same as this sign. The opposite of X, so the opposite of a pawn, is the same as a star. So the opposite of pawn is the same as a star. So we're going to go ahead and take a look here at lesson 15, and we're going to read them the same way we have been reading them. So this particular problem starts off with two pawns on our balance, plus a star, plus a 3 on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, we have two sets of stars. So I'm going to put two stars on here, plus 15. So I have a 10 and a 5. So we have two pawns and a star and a 3 on the left, two stars and 15 on the right. So now let's start to solve. We want to remember that we are going to move our number cubes first. So if we have 3 on the left and 15 on the right, we're going to move the smallest number that we have. So that would be our 3. So if we remove 3 away from the left side, we have to take 3 away from the right. So our 15 is going to turn into 12 because we took 3 away from both sides. Now I see that we have, where we have our number cubes, where we have the 12, we also have two stars. Well, I need to get rid of those two stars so that my number cubes are by themselves. In order to do that, I am going to take one star away from each side of the balance, and that gets me closer to where I need to be. Now I have a star and 12 on the right and two pawns on the left. I need to get rid of this star, so we can either add a 0 pair to the left, or we can add a blue pawn to both sides. I like using 0 pairs, so I'm going to go ahead and take a 0 pair, which, if you remember, has a value of 0 when we add them together because they're opposites. And I can put them on both on the left-hand side of the equation because they do have a value of 0 when they are together. What that did is it now provided me with a star on each side of the balance. So I can now remove a star from each side, and that leaves me with 3 pawns equals to 12. So 1 pawn would be equal to 4. A star would be equal to the opposite of 4, which is -4. We can also write that as a negative x, or the opposite of x. And then we go back in for our check. So we need to reset up. So we started with 2 pawns and a star plus a 3 equaled 2 stars plus 15. So let's plug in. We know that pawns are 4, so we have 4, 8. This is the opposite of 4, so it's -4, so 8 minus 4 is 4. and 4 plus 3 is 7. So on the left, I have 7. On the right, I have 2 stars, which are each -4. So I'm going to start with my whole number first, my 15, and I'm going to take away 4, which gives me 11. And I'm going to take away 4 more, which gives me 7. So my check is 7 equals 7. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is. So we can put a check above that equation. Let's clear our mat and move on to the next problem. Okay, so our problem says we have 2x minus a star plus 4 equals 2 stars plus x. Well, these aren't written the way that I'm used to seeing them, so I'm going to rewrite my equation. And I'm going to start with 2 x's, which stays the same. This says to take away a star, so I'm going to write minus, and I'm going to draw the star like I'm used to seeing it. Plus my 4 equals, this says 2 stars, I'm going to rewrite them the way I'm used to seeing them, plus x. So let's go ahead and set up our equation. We start with 2 pawns on the left. This tells me to take away a star. I don't have a star to take away, but I can always add a 0 pair, and a 0 pair has no value because they're opposites. So I can place this on here and then remove my star. The last thing to do on the left is to add a number 4 cube. And then on the right, I have 2 stars plus a pawn. So now what we're going to do is we are going to solve. So we have number cube on the left, but no number cube on the right. So we need to get rid of these 3 pawns. So the first thing I'm going to do is take away 1 pawn from each side. And now I have 2 pawns on the left, but I have stars on the right. So I need to figure out a way to get rid of these pawns here. Like I said, I like doing 0 pairs. So I'm going to add a 0 pair on this right hand side, and that will allow me to now take off a pair of pawns. I can do that again by adding another 0 pair over here to the right, and now I can remove the other pawn, and that leaves me with 4 stars equal 4. So 1 star equals 1, which means that x is equal to the opposite of 1, which is -1. And let's do our check. We're going to plug back in. And an x is worth -1. So I'm going to start with my 4 and work backwards. So 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1. And then a star is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 is equal to 1, so that is a check.